Alright guys, welcome back to another video today on the Ghost Flash channel. In today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we're working on the Genesis Coupe. This is day 2. And in this video, it's going to be disassembly of the vehicle. We got to go ahead and get the intercooler pipe pulled off. We got to get the oil catch can pulled off. And then we got to loosen the belt to be able to pull off the power steering pump. Once that comes off, I can start loosening I got to take off the down pipe. Then after the down pipe comes off, let's see, I got to do the oil drain, oil feed, and then the vacuum line, and then I can do the manifold bolts and pull it right out. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on the stand that I did break, so it might fall over in this process, but I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on the stand and get to wrenching. So as you guys saw, turbo is out, and tragedy number 1, turbo is blown. So tragedy number 2, I was missing a stud or a nut. There was only 3. One was completely gone. That's tragedy number 2. And as you guys can see, hopefully, tragedy number 3, we had I don't even want to say a gasket. We had a piece of a gasket. And tragedy that is catastrophe number 3. Uh-oh, that is not a good sign. The car might already be blown, ladies and gentlemen, but that's okay because we're gonna tune it anyways. We waited this long, let's at least blow it up. Alright guys, it is day 2, morning 2 of working on the Genesis Coupe. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what did come. So Amazon let me down. Well, I mean, they didn't let me down. They did a great job, but I wanted to be able to get the parts before sundown, and they came at like almost 9:30. I mean, they said it'd be here by 10 o'clock, so they weren't wrong, but it was a little bit late, so I called it a night. And we're here this morning, and we're gonna get after this turbo right now, and I'm also gonna show you guys some new parts that we got, and the exposure is terrible. Alright, so let's go ahead and take you guys back over here because, wow, I don't know why my camera did all that funky doodly stuff, but, so let me go ahead and show you guys what we're working with. So currently, new max speeding rods turbos, almost ready to go in. I have it clocked where it needs to be, but if you guys don't already see the problem, it's missing the vacuum fitting that I need to be able to have here, be able to wire my boost or plumb my boost controller as well as my wastegate. So we're gonna have to do the really scary thing and drill into our brand new turbo. So I went ahead and let me go and show you this stuff. That'd make more sense. So I got this vacuum, I don't know what you'd call this, box port, I don't know what you call it, but it's from MSCR, whatever that is. I don't know, it was like 80 bucks off Amazon. And no, not off Amazon, was that? Yeah, it was off Amazon. And quick ordered this because I needed it, at least so I thought I needed it because I didn't have this. And so it was either buy this and not drill into the turbo, or not run this and drill into the turbo. And we decided to drill into the turbo, so now we have this for absolutely no reason. So yeah, that's the thing. So I got the correct fitting. It is a 1/8-27 NPT fitting that I'm going to have to drill into this turbo. So we went to Ace Hardware down the street, and we got according to them, this will be the right bit, a 5/16 bit, as well as we got a 1/8-27 NPT tap. So we're gonna go ahead and run our risk right now and drill into this turbo and risk tragedy if I mess this up. We're gonna get after that. Alright guys, I was just finishing editing this video. Didn't realize I didn't do an outro, but that is going to do it for part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. Like, comment, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next Ghost Watch video.
That I'm lost, located in the back door. Don't even wanna check.